Welcome, class. So we're going to still talk about some gymnosperms. We're going to talk about the cycads again. So I'm here at Fullerton College. We have a few cycads. Now this big guy, look at those cones. So this is how you know this is a gymnosperm. You can see the cones right there. This is a male plant. And we have the male cones. Let me get a little closer down in there. This plant is called a ceratozamia. Ceratozamia. This one is not hardy up there in the high desert. This is an Australian plant, but look at those big cones. Now, this is at a distance. Those cones are about maybe a foot or two long. Pretty big. This plant itself is about 12 feet. So again, the ceratozamias, all the zamias, just like your cardboard palm on your list, just like your Cycad revoluta. Again, they're all gymnosperms. Let me show you another one. This one is a boy plant with a different species. This is a Diune spinosum, I believe. And it has a large female cone on it. So if I can get in here, see that big guy, or big gal actually, and that is quite large. So that's like a giant, bigger than a pineapple, about as big as a watermelon, that cone. So again, this is Diune, the other one was a Zamia, and they look like palm trees. In fact, there's a palm tree right there. But palm trees, we're going to get into those. Those are a monocot. These are not a flowering plant. Again, that's a cone, and they are single sex plants. So again, we have a Diune spinosum. Let me walk over to the Zamia again. This is the ceratozamia with the large male cones. I might actually try to get that cone in a bit here. Let's see if I can grab it. And I can bring this, if I can get it, I'll take it to class. Oh yeah, it's pretty big. It's a pollen cone. Look at that. Good sized cone. So these are male cones. Let me show you now your plant that's on your list. The sago palm. Cycad revoluta. So here's Cycad revoluta, the sago palm. Now this one will grow up in the high desert. We have one in the greenhouse. This is a boy plant. Here's the boy cone, the pollen cone. Notice how it's kind of a different shape. And then over here, I have a female plant. Look at her cone. Her cone's quite a bit different, much bigger. This is the cone on the female plant, and it has these very fuzzy spiky bracts, and inside are the seeds. So there's the seed, which looks like a fruit, but this again is not a fruit. This is the seed, because remember, that's a cone. This is a plant that does not produce flowers or fruit. It just has cones. Gymnosperm, naked seed. So that's just naked seeds in there. The female cone forms, opens. The male cone forms, opens. That pollen blows in the wind pollinated, and pollinates the cones. Now those seeds are orange and kind of fruit-like to attract animals to disperse them, but that doesn't mean they are fruit. Again, Cycad revoluta and some other gymnosperms for you guys. Really interesting plants.